Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Let's dive right into the video. First, I started off by cleansing the face with my micellar water and cotton pad. I hydrated the face, and now I'm moisturizing the face. I'm moisturizing everywhere, especially the under eyes, because yep, that is like the driest part of the face. Next, I'm applying my smoothing primer on the face, and then my oil control primer on the T-zone area, the nose, the brows, and then now I'm applying my sweat block on the hairline and also on the T-zone areas. Please likely to produce sweat. Now I'm applying my foundation, and I'm blending with my damp beauty blender in a dabbing motion. Next, I'm going to be contouring the face just around the tragus area. And I'm going to blend it out just on the spot where I applied. And then I just take whatever is left on the beauty blender after blending to the forehead. Now I'm applying my blush. These days I'm falling in love with pink blushes. I'm applying my blush on the apples of the cheek, and I'm going to blend that out as well. Take your time to blend, don't be in a hurry. Next, I'm going to be highlighting the under eye using my Beauty by AD concealer. I'm just going to be putting that under the eye, the nose, the forehead, the cupid's bow, and the chin. For ease of blending, I'm going to be adding my foundation around the edge of the concealer. This helps me to blend the concealer even better. Now for blending, I usually start blending from the foundation part before I enter into the light concealer. I usually leave my under eyes to gain a little bit weight before I blend. So I blend the other areas first before I go into the under eye.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
In order to blend the under eye, you have to tell your client to look up. Right now, I'm going to be setting the under eye with my Merac translucent powder in the shade Ginger. I'm going to be setting all my highlighted areas. Next, I'm going to be applying powder all over the face just to set our foundation in place. Next, I'm going to be doing my powder contour. Just going to be taking an angled brush, and then I'm going to be applying a dark shade, like 2 to 3 shades dark on the cheeks, and then I'm going like 2 powder shades dark on the nose to create a white shape, just to give the nose a pointy look. I applied blush, and now I'm setting the face. Just so I don't waste time while the face is drying, I just start to tame my eyebrow. Now that I'm sure that the face is dried, I do my reverse contour. and afterwards I bake under the eye for eyeshadow fallout. At this point, I'm certain that the thing I put on the brows are already dried, and I'm just going to be drawing my brows. Enjoy the process.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Stay tuned for an updated eyebrow tutorial coming soon.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
For eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with my Bicham eyeshadow base. After I'm done with that, I'm going to be going in with a brown shade for my transition color. After I'm done putting that brown shade on, I'm going to be intensifying it by adding a black shade, just little by little, also on my crease area. Now for the color of my lid, I'm going to be putting a pink eyeshadow. Just to intensify it, I'm going in with the Supro loose highlighter, the pink shade. I'm just applying it there just to serve as my pigment. And now I'm smoking the under eye with a black shade, and later on I added purple to the smoked under eye. I'm going to be lining the under eye with pink, and I'm dusting off any fallout on the face, as well as the loose powder we put there earlier on, setting the face so everything can stick. Now I'm going in with my mascara for the bottom lashes, and I don't know what happened, but I lost my clip for the lips. This is the only one I could get so far. Honestly, don't know what happened. I was recording all through my phone, and all of a sudden I don't know. Well, this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for always watching my video. Please share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will always be there to answer to all your questions. See you in my next video. Bye.